Okay, so this is a video on simplifying radicals, and this is actually question number 3 from the 1.6 and 1.7 homework for Math 150. So this question is asking us to simplify the cubed root of 375, x to the 6th, y to the 2nd. So the first thing that we need to do is to break our numbers and our variables down on the inside of the radical so we can kind of see what is made up of, what 375 is made up of, and then what x to the 6th and y to the 2nd is made up of. What happens when we're doing square roots or cube roots, the square root or cube root tells us how many of a certain item we have to have underneath in order to be able to bring one of those out in terms of simplifying. So I'm going to come over to the side first of all, and I am going to factor 375 to see the factors that make up 375. So I know it's divisible by 5, and if I divide 5 into 375, I get 75. 5 is broken down as far as we can go. So 75 is going to break down again into 5 times 15, and then we break 15 down into 5 times 3. So 375 gets broken down into the cubed root of 5 times 5 times 5 times 3. X to the 6th, we can break that down. We can actually break that down into x times x times x times x times x times x, and we'll see that we have 6 x's underneath there, or 2 groups of 3. And then y squared, you can break down into y times y, and we don't have 3 of those, so we're not going to be able to bring any of those out. That's actually going to stay underneath. So we have 3 5s underneath. That means we can bring 1 out. The 3 stays under. We have 2 groups of 3 x's, so we can bring this out as x squared. The y squared stays under. Now the other way we can look at this, and then this is actually your answer. Another way we can look at this in order to simplify our variables is we can say, okay, 6 divided by 3 is actually 2. And that allows us to use some quick division to break that down and bring that out. And of course 2 doesn't divide by 3 at all, so we know we have to leave that underneath. So this is our answer, 5x to the 2nd cubed root of 3y squared. If you have any other questions about this question or any of the other problems in this homework set or the other homework sets, please let me know. I'm always happy to create a video to help you out. Thank you.